The thing that excited me the most was seeing DaVinci Resolve running on a Windows PC with a neural processor, and the power of that being put in the hands of emerging filmmakers and content creators. So for example, tools like Magic Mask can do things like change the color of my shirt in an instant, like that. Wait, try that again, like that. These new machines are really pushing the boundaries of storytelling, making anything you can think of possible. That's really exciting to me.
Isn't that awesome? Now, I'm not a professional filmmaker myself, of course, but I've been playing around with this Magic Mask feature on my laptop. So I can select and make complex color corrections to any object in a single frame and render that across the whole clip. So it's easy as this. I'll select a keyframe,